In this video, we are going to take a closer look at the days of sales data point in FBAScan. Days of sales measures the number of days out of the past 6 months that an item has sold at least one copy. Currently, only books and other media will return days of sales. Days of sales is not available for non-media items. If a book or other media doesn't display days of sales, the item has no sufficient sales history in our system yet. This overview of an item's historical demand from the past 6 months is a very useful data point. Let's enter an ISBN. For this item, the days of sales has a value of 4. It indicates that the item had at least one sale for 4 days in the past 6 months. The max days of sales number you'll see is 185 days, equaling 6 months. We'll generally call an item with a low days of sales a slow mover, since the demand for this item is low and takes longer. Let's go ahead and tap on the Keepa data chart. We want to view the sales rank for this book. When viewing the graph, the months are on the bottom, while the sales rank are along the y-axis. The dip in the sales rank indicates at least one copy has been sold. Let's count back from the past 6 months. You'll notice 4 dips. You notice that our days of sales value closely matches the data represented from the graph. Okay, let's go back to the main screen and enter another book. Notice the days with sales is higher than the previous example. An item with a high days of sales is commonly called a fast seller. The book is selling fast and has a days of sales of 95, which means the item sold at least one copy in 95 days out of the past 6 months. Again, let's go ahead and view the Keepa data chart. This item is in high demand when you consider the rank. We'll place our attention on the past 6 months. If we were to zoom in and count the number of dips, we'd notice that there are approximately 95 dips reflected in the Keepa history chart and our days of sales value. Since days of sales are a critical data point, it is now included in our profit triggers. To learn more about incorporating days of sales and setting up the profit triggers, please view our support page.